A Journey to the Stars. In a small town, there lived a boy named Leo who dreamed of becoming an astronaut. Every night, he lay in bed and stared at the stars, imagining what it would be like to travel in a rocket. He loved reading books about space and watching documentaries about planets and galaxies. One day, Leo's school announced a science fair. He decided to build a model rocket for the competition. He spent hours in his garage, working hard. He gathered materials like cardboard, plastic bottles, and old fireworks. His mother helped him with the glue and paint. On the day of the science fair, Leo proudly displayed his rocket. It was bright red with shiny silver fins. Many students and teachers admired his work. Leo explained how rockets worked and how they could take people into space. He shared his dream of exploring Mars one day. As the judges walked around, Leo felt nervous. But when they reached his project, he spoke confidently. He described his plans for the future and how he wanted to inspire others to look up at the stars. When the winners were announced, Leo's heart raced. He couldn't believe it when they called his name for first place. He jumped up in excitement. His hard work had paid off. That night, he looked at the stars again. But this time, he felt even closer to his dream. He knew that one day he would make that journey to the stars.